For more on this, I want to bring in anti-abortion rights advocate, senior fellow for the Catholic Association, Ashley McGuire, for more on this. Ashley, thank you for being here. I imagine you were happy to hear about the Supreme Court ruling. Can you walk me through how you felt when you heard about what the court decided?
Yeah, it was an emotional moment, and it's one that I think a lot of pro-lifers thought we'd never see. For those of us who've been working towards this moment, we really see this as the beginning, not the end. The beginning of restoring a voice to the people on this question of great moral consequence, and letting them have a say in our abortion laws. And furthermore, I would say the beginning of starting to build an authentic culture where women can truly flourish and thrive as women.
So, in your opinion, are there circumstances when an abortion should be allowed to take place?
So I think that pro-choicers are trying to distract people with red herrings about criminalizing of miscarriages. But the reality is the other side is the one that has been going around advocating for loosening health and safety standards in abortion clinics, for allowing non-licensed medical practitioners to perform abortions. And the reality is the overwhelming majority of abortions are elective. And I just don't accept the reality that the other side cares about the safety of women. And the truth is that with the advancement in science that we've seen in the last 20, 30 years, we can now see the true reality of the humanity of the unborn child. We can see that baby sucking its thumb, moving around in its mother's womb. You know, I've long said that I'm part of what I call the ultrasound generation. We grew up seeing our siblings, seeing our own children on the ultrasound screen with the heart beating as early as 5 weeks. That's when I saw my second child's heart beating on the ultrasound screen. So this is a different generation, and I'm grateful that now with the overturning of Roe v. Wade, the American people can have a voice on this matter and can vote in a way that's up to date with science and technology.
So, Ashley, when do you believe, are there circumstances where you believe an abortion should be allowed to take place?
I don't think that abortion is necessary to save a woman's life. I mean, I think we've seen that.
The doctors say otherwise. You're saying you don't believe him?
I'm saying that I think that the American people should have a say in this question. And the reality is that what's going to happen over the next few weeks is you're going to see states with very extreme abortion laws continue to keep those laws on the books and allow abortion for any reason on demand up until 9 months of pregnancy. And then you're going to see states where the American people believe that that is a unique and vulnerable and voiceless human life in the womb and should be protected from the moment of conception. And that is the moment that we've been working for. And I would add that the states that have done that, you take a look at a state like Texas, they added in tens of millions of dollars to help women who find themselves in a vulnerable, scary situation.
So, Ashley, do you believe a woman, or even in some cases a child, should be able to get an abortion in a case of rape or incest, for example?
I think that the humanity of the unborn child is no different in those situations, and that what we should be focusing on is putting resources into helping those women as opposed to giving that unborn child the death penalty because of the crime and the sin of their father.
And Ashley, what about the case that the doctor was talking about? The late Debbie Reynolds, a video is circulating of her talking about her own experience where the fetus she was carrying died inside of her and she was forced to carry it full term anyway. Do you agree with that?
I mean, I think we're going to see the nuances of this worked out as to what that means. But again, I think that what we're seeing now is the beginning of a new society and a new culture where the people have the right to have a say in this question, where it's been removed from them completely for the last 50 years. And the result of that has been to put the United States in the place of a handful of other countries, like China and North Korea, that allow barbaric late-term abortions.
All right, Ashley McGuire, we appreciate your time today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.